Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt that something about your outfit, your hair, or even your posture looked older than how you feel inside? It's not that you've aged poorly. It's that sometimes, without realizing it, our choices whisper old lady louder than our years ever could. And here's the truth. It has nothing to do with wrinkles or gray hair. It's about energy, confidence, and how you present your story to the world. The difference between looking mature and radiant versus old and tired often comes down to small styling habits we pick up over time, habits that slowly dim the spark in our appearance. Maybe it's a dress that no longer flatters your shape, shoes chosen for comfort that unintentionally kill your style, or makeup techniques that once worked but now age your features. These things don't just affect how others see you, they affect how you feel about yourself. But here's the beautiful part. Elegance has no expiration date. You can look vibrant, modern, and absolutely stunning at any age, once you know what to avoid and what to embrace instead. In this video, we're breaking down 7 things that scream old lady, harsh but true, and more importantly, how to fix them. Because you deserve to feel as youthful and alive on the outside as you do within. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's talk about the quiet details that can transform your entire presence, from dated to effortlessly refined. Because at Elder's Lantern, we don't chase youth, we celebrate timeless confidence. Let's start with the most common culprit: shapeless, outdated clothing. You know the kind. Long, boxy tops that hide your figure, wide pants with no structure, or those comfortable pieces that seem safe but do absolutely nothing for your shape. Many women choose these clothes thinking they're being modest or practical, but in reality, these pieces can silently add years and erase the natural elegance of your silhouette. The truth is, comfort and style are not enemies. You don't need to wear something tight or revealing to look youthful. You simply need structure and shape. When you wear clothes that follow your natural lines, you instantly look more polished, more confident, and yes, more youthful. Think of your body as art that deserves a beautiful frame. Tailored jackets, softly fitted blouses, and dresses with gentle waist definition all help you reclaim your feminine shape without feeling restricted. Fabrics like linen blends, soft cottons, or light knits move with you, not against you. They breathe, flow, and create that effortless elegance that screams refined, not dated. And let's talk color. Faded, dull tones can drain your energy, while rich neutrals or soft pastels bring warmth and radiance back to your skin. If you've been living in beige on beige because it goes with everything, it might be time to reintroduce depth and tone into your wardrobe. So next time you reach for that oversized tunic or loose cardigan, ask yourself, does this honor my shape or hide it? The goal isn't to cover up. It's to celebrate your form with grace and intention. Remember, elegance isn't found in how much fabric you wear, but in how beautifully that fabric moves with you. Because when your clothes are shaped for confidence, your presence naturally follows. Number 2, neglected or outdated hair. Your hair is one of the first things people notice, and one of the strongest visual cues of age. An outdated cut or neglected color can quietly undo even the most elegant outfit. The wrong hairstyle can make you look tired, while the right one lifts your face, softens your features, and brings back that spark in your expression. Yet, so many women over 50 hold on to the same haircut they had 20 years ago, thinking it's safe. But here's the truth. What once flattered you might not serve you anymore. Hair texture changes over time. It can become finer, drier, or lose its natural bounce. That's why sticking to a cut that suited your 30-year-old self often backfires. Instead of holding on to the past, embrace your present. Choose a style that complements your current features, because this version of you deserves to shine. Soft face-framing layers are a miracle worker. They bring movement and lift, creating a youthful energy around your face. A modern pixie, a textured bob, or a shoulder-length cut with gentle waves can all add dimension and softness. The key is effortlessness, not perfection. And let's talk color. Harsh, dark dyes can cast shadows and emphasize fine lines, while flat, one-tone gray can dull your complexion. Consider blending techniques like soft highlights or lowlights. They bring light to your face and make your hair appear thicker and healthier. Above all, don't ignore maintenance. Regular trims and nourishing treatments are not vanity, they're self-care. Because neglected hair doesn't just look older, it feels older. Ask yourself, does your hair make you feel alive? Or does it remind you of who you used to be? At this stage of life, your hair should mirror your confidence, modern, graceful, and full of life. After all, your hair isn't just part of your look. It's the crown that tells your story. Number 3. Outdated or clunky footwear. Let's be honest. Shoes can make or break your entire look. You could be wearing the most flattering outfit, but if your shoes scream orthopedic or outdated comfort, the whole ensemble instantly feels aged. Many women, especially after 50, start choosing shoes purely for practicality. But what they don't realize is that the wrong footwear doesn't just affect your appearance, it changes your posture, confidence, and even how you move through the world. Here's the reality. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to look stylish. It's all about finding that modern balance between support and sophistication. Dated chunky soles, Velcro straps, or bulky shapes tend to visually weigh down your frame. They pull attention away from your outfit's elegance and instead give a clumsy, older impression. Instead, look for shoes with clean lines and structure. A sleek leather loafer, a chic ankle boot, or a pointed toe flat can elongate the leg and instantly elevate your outfit. Neutral tones like camel, taupe, or soft metallics can make your look feel fresh and intentional, while still pairing beautifully with everything in your wardrobe. And heel height? You don't need stilettos. A small block heel or low wedge adds posture and poise without discomfort. Even sneakers can look refined when chosen wisely. Think minimalist designs, soft leathers, and tonal colors instead of bright, sporty ones. Remember, your shoes tell a story before you say a word. They show how much you value presentation. Not vanity, but self-respect. The woman who takes a moment to choose well-crafted footwear says, "I still care, and I'm not fading quietly." So the next time you slip on a pair of old clunky shoes out of habit, pause and ask, do these represent the woman I am today? Because elegance isn't just how you dress, it's how you walk through life. Number 4. Ignoring accessories or overdoing them. Accessories are the finishing touch, the exclamation point of your outfit. But for many women over 60, they're either completely forgotten or taken to the opposite extreme. Some women step out with no jewelry, no handbag, no touch of detail at all. And the result? A flat, unfinished look that lacks personality and polish. Others go the other way, layering statement necklaces, large earrings, and bold scarves all at once, unintentionally overwhelming their features. Both extremes steal away your elegance. Here's the truth. The right accessory can make you look decades younger. Not because it hides your age, but because it shows you still have an eye for modern style. Think of accessories as your silent storytellers. They reflect your taste, your mood, your energy. Start with one statement piece per outfit. Maybe a structured handbag, a pair of gold hoops, or a soft silk scarf in a color that flatters your complexion. Then let everything else play a supporting role. A sleek watch, a subtle pair of earrings, or delicate rings can complete your look without shouting for attention. Avoid overly glittery or heavy costume jewelry that can look dated. Instead, go for modern minimalism. Clean lines, quality materials, and pieces that feel light and intentional. Silver, rose gold, or pearl accents often bring a youthful glow to mature skin. And scarves? They're a miracle accessory. Draped loosely, they draw the eye upward and add instant sophistication. Tied neatly, they give structure and grace. Remember, accessories shouldn't wear you. They should enhance you. A confident woman over 60 doesn't need sparkle in every corner of her outfit. Her presence is already radiant. Accessories are just the frame that helps the world see it. So ask yourself, are your accessories elevating you or distracting from you? Because true style isn't in quantity, it's in balance. Number 5. Too much makeup or none at all. Makeup, when done right, can be a quiet form of magic. It softens, brightens, and highlights your best features. But for many women over 60, it becomes a tricky balance. Some completely abandon it, believing makeup doesn't matter at my age, while others apply it the same way they did 30 years ago, unaware that those old techniques may now emphasize the very things they're trying to minimize. Both extremes, too much or none at all, can unintentionally age your appearance. Let's start with too much makeup. Heavy foundation, thick eyeliner, and overly dark lipstick can settle into fine lines and make the face look harsh. The goal after 60 isn't to cover, it's to enhance. A lightweight, dewy base with a hint of blush brings life and freshness to the skin. Soft, defined brows lift the face instantly, and a little mascara opens up the eyes beautifully. The right shades, warmer neutrals, rose tones, soft pinks, create a glow that feels natural and youthful. Now for the other side, no makeup at all. While natural beauty is powerful, a completely bare face can sometimes make you look tired or washed out on camera or in certain light. Even the simplest touches, a tinted moisturizer, lip balm with color, and a hint of mascara, can make a world of difference. Think of makeup not as disguise, but as self-expression. You're not trying to look 30 again. You're enhancing the beauty that wisdom and experience have shaped. So here's the golden rule. Light, fresh, and intentional. Your makeup should whisper elegance, not shout for attention. Before you reach for your makeup bag tomorrow, ask yourself, does this bring light to my face or shadow to it? Because at this stage of life, beauty isn't about perfection. It's about radiance, the kind that comes from confidence, grace, and knowing exactly who you are. Number 6. Outdated glasses or frames. Your glasses may be small in size, but they have a massive impact on how youthful or dated your entire look feels. Many women over 60 wear the same frames they've had for years, thinking, they still work fine. But here's the truth. Outdated glasses can age you faster than any wrinkle ever could. The wrong shape, color, or frame style can drag down your features, dull your complexion, and even make your wardrobe look older than it is. Think of your glasses as your face's most important accessory. They sit front and center, framing your eyes, the most expressive part of you. So if your frames are thick, heavy, or in outdated shapes like tiny ovals, gold wire rims, or dull tortoiseshell patterns, it's time for an upgrade. Modern frames are lighter, cleaner, and more refined. Try slightly lifted shapes like cat eyes or soft rectangular frames. They open up the face and subtly lift the eye area. Transparent or semi-translucent frames in tones like champagne, rose, or smoky gray can soften your look beautifully. Even a simple switch from matte to glossy finishes can bring instant vitality. If you prefer metal frames, go for sleek, minimalist designs rather than ornate or thick ones. Rimless or half-rim options can feel timeless yet youthful, giving your face an open, graceful appearance. And remember, your glasses should reflect you today, not who you were 20 years ago. Updating your frames doesn't mean chasing trends. It means keeping your look aligned with your energy, your confidence, and your present-day style. Here's something to consider. When was the last time you changed your frames? If it's been more than 5 years, it might be time for a refresh. Because your eyes tell your story, and the right frames make sure that story shines with clarity, warmth, and timeless elegance. Number 7. Old, ill-fitted underwear. It might sound surprising, but one of the biggest beauty mistakes mature women make starts with what no one else can see: their underwear. Old, stretched out, or ill-fitted bras and panties can completely ruin the way your clothes sit on your body. Even the most elegant outfit can lose its shape and polish if the foundation beneath it isn't right. Here's the truth. Our bodies change with time, and so should our undergarments. A bra that fit perfectly 5 years ago might now be too loose, too tight, or unsupportive. This doesn't just affect comfort. It affects posture, silhouette, and even confidence. When your undergarments lift, smooth, and support in the right places, your clothes suddenly hang better. Your waist looks more defined, and your figure feels revitalized. Many women hold on to their old favorites because they're comfortable. But comfort shouldn't come at the cost of fit. Over time, elastic weakens, straps stretch, and cups lose structure. The result? Sagging, bulging, and uneven lines that subtly age your overall look. So here's a graceful rule. Every 12 to 18 months, reassess your lingerie drawer. Get professionally fitted if you can. Even once in a lifetime can change how you feel in your clothes. Choose smooth, seamless pieces in nude, black, or soft blush for everyday wear. For special outfits, invest in shapewear that enhances without squeezing. Think gentle support, not restriction. And don't underestimate how the right underwear can transform how you carry yourself. When your foundation feels supportive and elegant, it naturally lifts your posture and your spirit. You stand taller, move with ease, and your confidence quietly radiates through every layer. So before you buy another dress or blouse, take a look at what's underneath. Sometimes the secret to looking 10 years younger isn't in your wardrobe at all. It's in your lingerie drawer. Let's take a moment to breathe this in, because what we've just uncovered isn't really about clothes, makeup, or hair. It's about self-respect in motion. These 7 things that scream old lady aren't insults, they're invitations. Invitations to shed what no longer reflects your inner glow, to step out of autopilot, and to reintroduce yourself to the world. Not as someone fading, but as someone evolving. You see, style after 50 isn't about pretending to be 30 again. It's about dressing in alignment with the woman you've become. The one who's wiser, bolder, and beautifully comfortable in her skin. Each of these small changes, a modern haircut, structured clothing, fresh accessories, updated makeup, even new lingerie, they aren't superficial. They're whispers of confidence. They say, I still care about how I show up in this world. Because elegance doesn't age, it deepens. The real transformation isn't in the mirror. It's in how you feel when you see your reflection and think, yes, that's me. A woman who honors her story yet refuses to be defined by the years that have passed. So as you go through your wardrobe, your vanity, or even your mindset this week, ask yourself, does this express the woman I am today, or the one I used to be? The answer will guide you toward effortless grace. And if you take just one thing from this video, let it be this. Growing older is not about losing relevance, it's about refining your brilliance. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 things surprised you the most? Or which one do you secretly struggle with and want to change first? Share it in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else today. Because here at Elder's Lantern we don't fade into the background. We shine wiser, stronger, and more radiant with every passing year. Stay elegant, stay confident, and remember, grace never ages.